What's new in the world of AI? We had OpenAI's ChatGPT in the second half of 2022, which shook up the world of business, finance, and technology. Stalwarts like Google and Microsoft also decided to enter the AI wars. And what is the new entrant? It's Elon Musk's XAI. Musk mentioned this would be a safer AI that's not focused on programming morally, but being maximally curious. The hope is that the AI would align its behavior with human values. XAI means interpretable AI or explainable AI according to experts. Musk announced his new company in July 2023 with the goal of understanding the true nature of the universe. The team members behind this are folks from OpenAI, Google Research, DeepMind, Tesla, Twitter, and more. XAI may compete with companies like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Musk had previously secured a whole lot of GPU processors from NVIDIA to power this LLM system. At a time when there were fears around AI and a letter was signed by many calling for a pause in development, what could XAI change? One of the people who signed the letter is Dan Hendricks, who was a part of the non-profit that published the letter. Hendricks is an advisor to XAI as well. And XAI will go into the mathematics of deep learning and focus on developing the theory of everything to take AI to the next level. What could XAI mean for the future of artificial intelligence?